Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Hans Morris, this is Jack McCraven, and this is Austin Weiland. This is First Drive. So today we are going to be working on my 1997 Jeep Wrangler. We are going to be taking the carpets out because the soft top has been leaking like crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the carpets out for the winter, clean them, and dry them so then we can put them back in the summertime. So this is going to be a how-to video on how to take the carpets out of a TJ Jeep Wrangler.
Alright, so basically what you're going to do here is you got a little button down here. You're going to unbutton that just like that, and then this whole back section is that's just one piece. So you can start peeling it back from here. It's going to get caught in right over there, so you can start taking it out from here. You're going to have to get around the other side as well, button that, but you see it just comes off like that, and the metal body is just exposed. Simple as that.
Okay, so the carpet that we're taking out is separated into, I think, two parts. So there's the part behind the seat, and then there's the part in front of the seat. And you don't actually, I don't think, need to take the seats out to take the carpet out. So obviously this like unbuttons right here, like Jack said earlier. And so we're gonna take the back part out first, which is easier to take out from this part first and then kind of rip it out back.
You know all these are good.
And then after that we're gonna take the front part out.
A napkin. There she is. Ugh.
There's some yummy stuff in here from the previous owner. That is disgusting. Look at that napkin underneath the frickin' carpet from the previous owner. Wow. I don't know who owned this and how many people own this, but I am having second thoughts on buying this thing right now.
These like big old screw things.
I got a question for you. How come you guys never put that block on the clutch pedal?
Oh, the stumpy leg. The stumpy leg pedal.
Doesn't that fuck you up when you drive? Isn't that like weird to drive like that?
That's the thing I learned stick on, so that's all I know.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Plastic screws back behind the pedals. You're just gonna work your way, get that thing off. You're just gonna peel this back like so.
Put this one fast forward.
Wow, look at that rust bucket.
Oh my God. I'm surprised we didn't fall through while we were driving.
Yeah. This is much worse than I was expecting to find underneath the carpets. But we're slowly making our money back from buying this thing, finding all these coins underneath here.
$1 under here.
Alright, so on this side we have already taken the rubber things off. So it's just going to be a matter of peeling this back just like the other side. Hopefully this side isn't going to be as bad, but I'm not getting my hopes up at this point. There's just change falling out all over the place.
Oh yeah, baby.
So that is how you take the front and mid carpets out of a Jeep Wrangler TJ. Nice. So we have got the carpets out of the Jeep and they are all soaking wet and they are full of gross stuff that I don't even want to know what it is. And so right now we're going to spray them down, just get all the yuck out of them. And then after that, we're going to go vacuum the Jeep out and then get all the water out of that. And then we're going to hang these things up. So we will see you after this. the vacuum place, and we were about to vacuum out the water out of the floor of this bad boy. This thing was going, and then it just fell out.
Nice.
So we just finished vacuuming out this thing, and we're on our way back to the shop, and then we're gonna hang up the carpets and call it a day until the summer when it's time to put those things back in the Jeep. So we will see you then. Pull this plug out so when more water comes in over the winter, we can just it can just drain right back out, and then once we put the dried carpets in and clean this out a little more in the spring, then we can just plug it right back up and it will be good to go. Thanks for watching this video on how to take the carpets out of a TJ Wrangler. We'll be back in the spring to show you guys how to put those things back in. Thanks for watching again.
Don't forget to like
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.